I have constantly asked myself this question, that is what I'm doing the right thing? So if you are watching me right now, and it was the title that drew you to this video, like, this is a video that is going to take away confusion from you, and is going to help you to be at peace. Is going to encourage you. So small creators, you're welcome to this channel. You're watching Jesus Bride. Kindly like this video and watch till the end. I would love to say that if you are here and you love watching edited videos, stuff like that, I'm sorry, because there is no editing to this video. Okay, it's just me holding my camera and wanting to share this great message to the glory of God today. So I've been in this situation whereby I constantly ask myself this question: am I doing the right thing? And if you are also in that situation, kindly stay to the end of this video, and I hope this video speaks to you, give you peace, encouragement, and what direction. Okay, so have you ever see those that you are looking up to, telling you that this thing here that you are doing is not the right thing? Like, you are looking up to them, they have gone far ahead, and you are like, they are just like your mentors, people you are looking up to. And again, you have been asking a lot of questions. Okay, they are saying this is not the right thing. All right, this is not the right thing to do, but they are not answering your questions. There are a lot of questions in your heart. Okay, and you have even tried going to search on Google. All right, because one of my boss would say, hey, Google have answers to all of your questions. But in this situation, it's not that they will not try to give you some answers, but have you ever gone to Google and search and see what you are seeing did not satisfy your soul? Okay, are you in that condition? Like, or how will I put this grammar, have you ever been in such condition before? All right, if you have, please and please, all right, just keep watching, because the Lord wants to speak to us through this video. He wants to give us that peace of mind. He wants to encourage us. Okay, I have learned that even when you are showing up, doing the right thing at the right time, okay, you can still be challenged. Yes. And if you stop, if you quit, okay, you lose. I'm sorry. I'm speaking to you and also speaking to myself. All right, so that you are doing the right thing does not mean that you won't be challenged, you won't go through this mindset of okay, I've figured it out, I'm doing the right thing, okay, glory be to God, I'm doing what I need to do, and the road needs to be smooth for me. You will be tried, I'll be tried, you will go through challenges even when you are still showing up every day. But you see what the scripture says about it. Okay, what the scripture says about it. It says in the book of Luke chapter 1 verse 37, it says, for with God nothing shall be impossible. Nothing shall be impossible. Okay, that thing that looks so rough, harsh, impossible to us, now this is what God is saying to you and I. God is saying, if he is still God and which he is still God, nothing shall be impossible for you and I. Nothing shall be impossible. That's what the scripture says from the book of Luke chapter 1 verse 37. Okay, and again, I have another scripture here to share. All right, it's this same chapter, Luke chapter 1, this verse 45. It says, and blessed is she that believed, for there shall be a performance of those things which were told her from the Lord. There shall be a performance. So now we are to know, the first scripture told us that nothing is what's impossible, and this one is saying that it takes my faith and your faith, okay, to receive what we are expecting from the Lord. And that faith means don't give up. I should not give up, and you should not give up. Now, let's go back to what I was saying before that if to get a satisfactory like a answer that will satisfy your soul, okay, one of our prophets, Bishop David Oyedepo, he said once, he said every solution, okay, like every problem to life, there is a solution to every what problem. There is a solution, and the solution is in the scripture. Like, imagine, it does not matter what you are facing, it does not matter what I'm facing, it does not, okay, this problem, there's no any selective problem. All the problems, all the challenges, everything has what? Answers in the scripture. Now, for you and I to get answers, we need to find answers. And how can we find the answers? Okay, just like how you find answers on Google, and most times you find these answers on Google and you don't still get it. Okay, there is answer in the scripture. And how can we find? Let's look at this scripture again. Let's look at the book of Matthew. All right, I think the one we checked before was Luke. Now let's look at the book of Matthew, what the book of Matthew says concerning this. Okay, Matthew 7:7. All right, Matthew 7:7. I'm using biblical reference, so I don't just look as if I just come here and say what I want to say. No. So Matthew 7:7 says, ask and it shall be given you, seek and ye shall find, knock and it shall be opened unto you. For everyone that asketh receive, and he that seeketh find, and to him that knocketh it shall be what? Opened. The scripture said, when you and I seek, we shall what? We shall find. So you see, those two scriptures I shared earlier, okay, God says nothing shall be impossible. So maybe you are worried and you are thinking, and it is time for you and I to stop overthinking things and to trust more in God and trust more in his words. Okay, I hope this video has been able to encourage you one way or the other. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. So see you on our next video. Bye.